In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a clear cell button in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted a quick and efficient way to clear cell contents without the hassle of multiple clicks, then stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to set that up. First, let's head over to the Google Sheets file you want to work with. Make sure it's open and you're ready to make some changes. This is the starting point for adding your clear cell button, so having the correct file open is crucial. Once you're in your Google Sheets file, take a look at the top menu bar and you'll see the Insert option. Go ahead and click on Insert and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select Drawing, and this option allows you to create custom drawings such as buttons directly within your sheet. After selecting Drawing, and a new window will open. Here you can design your button. You have the freedom to make it look however you'd like. Just keep in mind that it should be clear it's meant to be a button. Draw a simple rectangle, label it Clear Cell or any name you prefer, and remember to save your drawing before exiting the window. Once saved, you'll have a button right there in your spreadsheet. With your button ready, the next step is to implement the functionality behind it. You'll need to navigate to the Extensions tab in the top menu, click on Extensions, and from the drop-down list, choose App Script. App Script is where you'll be writing or pasting the script that will link to your button with the Clear Cell function. Now that you are in App Script, you should see a default file with some code. Erase this and insert the function you need. You can paste a script that allows the cell clearing function. Be sure to save your project once you have added the function. This script is what will automate the clearing process, so double check that it's correctly inputted. After saving your script, go back to your spreadsheet. Click on the three dots on your newly created button, which will bring up a small menu. From here, choose Assign Script. When prompted, type the name of the function you used in App Script. In our case, let's say it's ClearSheet. Enter this exact name to establish the connection between your button and the script. Finally, your button is set up and ready to use. Simply click on your new button, and it will clear the specified cells as intended. Having this automated button at your disposal makes managing your data more seamless and efficient. That's it for today. Now you can enjoy easier management of your data in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.